Hello, everyone. My name is Jason, just in case it's pronounced exactly like Jason. And I'm currently a student from Code Academy. It's just about a little over 2 months in. So without further ado, just to jump right in. So actually, nope. So actually, the solution. Sorry. So the question is how we can grab. So the challenge is how can we grab the first letter out of every word? So I think this is probably a really simple question for most of you guys. So I'll just walk you through it very quickly to like try if we can wrap it up in just 1 minute. So okay, just ignore this part for now. This is the something that came to my head, so I was like, why don't I just try something I just learned? So basically I used the collect, or the equivalent of a map method, and give it a block and join them. And these are the closest result I can get. I tried a couple of different other solutions, but those two were the closest. And then I kind of like, I thought, did I misinterpret something, or just I missed something? So I went back to the question and I noticed something like, please use regular expressions. And oh my God. And it's just so typical of code newbie. So the question, like, eventually turned into solving a question using regular expressions. And then I'm not sure if no, not just yet. Oh, that's weird. So, the question is like, ended up like being solving something with regular expressions. I did quite a bit of research and I tried a couple of methods, and then I ended up with this bit. So using the this regular expression, this expressions, just give it a word boundary and then a character cassette, and case insensitive. So I put it in the regular expression engine, and then it worked. And then the next task is to do a bit more research to see which method works the best. And then I ended up with two, like scan and match. And then since matches returns only one time, so scans the right candidate, the right fit, and then with it, and use join, and then upcase, problem solved. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And that's also pretty much all I know about regular expressions as a an absolute newbie. Thank you, everyone.
Great. Thanks, Jason. Anyone that says they know lots and lots of things about regular expressions is probably lying, because they're really hard. So do not worry. And you said classic error for a newbie. Don't forget, Mike is not a newbie, and he also failed to read the instructions properly. So it happens to the best of us. So do not worry. You did a great job. I really enjoyed hearing the journey. So well done.
I have a question, though.
Great. I hope one of us can answer
it. Is anyone like willing to provide me with a, still like a one line of code solution, but, without using regular expressions? So how possible could that be?
I think regular expressions are the most optimal solution, right?
Yeah.
So like, why would you want to do it a different way?
Yeah.
You could split on spaces or hyphens. That would also work. But yeah. I'm not sure if that would use regex. But
yeah, the code works. Your specs pass. I think it's good enough.
Yeah, exactly what Amit said. That's the lovely thing about Exercism is that you've passed the test if the tests, or you passed the challenge if the tests pass, not. Yeah. So no, I think it's a great solution. I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
But there could be one, in the split, you could use a word boundary. And so it's not exactly without a regular expression, but you could use a split with a word boundary.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You could potentially go and have a look at the more than 2,500 solutions that are up on the Exercism website by the community and see if anyone doesn't use a regex. I think you'd be hard pressed to find one.
Yeah, I did browse through a couple, but it's like tons of lines right there without regular expressions.
Yeah.
Could G-sub to remove the dashes before you do the split on the space, and then get the first letter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a go.